Hi, I'm Didi Caldwell, the Factory Whisperer. Each year, our team at Global Location Strategy ranks the best U.S. metros for food manufacturing based on cost, quality, and industry momentum. In this video, we're heading to the Southwest region, where innovation meets diversity in food production. Spanning 53 metropolitan areas across Arizona, California, Colorado, Hawaii, Nevada, New Mexico, and Utah, the Southwest region may not lead in volume, but it plays a critical role in national food production, especially because of California. California alone produces over 1/3 of the nation's vegetables and 2/3 of its fruits and nuts, making it a cornerstone of the U.S. food supply chain. While many California metros rank as premium locations due to their higher cost, their scale and output are unmatched. This region is especially strong in bakeries and tortillas sector, accounting for 21% of all U.S. projects that were announced in that subsector during 2023 and 2024. It also plays a role in dairy processing and benefits from a robust industry ecosystem and favorable demographic trends. So let's take a look at the top 5 metros leading the way. Coming in at number 5, Salt Lake City, Murray, Utah offers competitive cost and strategic access to western and central southern markets. Number 4, Provo, Orem, Lehi, Utah. Just south of Salt Lake City, this fast-growing metro stands out for its innovation-driven economy and access to a young, educated workforce. Its proximity to major logistics corridors adds to its appeal for food manufacturers. Coming in at number 3 is Logan, Utah, which is also partially in Idaho. Ranked 79th nationally, Logan punches above its weight thanks to a strong manufacturing workforce, a high location quotient for food production, and robust growth forecasts for related occupations. Number 2, Phoenix, Mesa, Chandler, Arizona. Ranked 77th nationally, this metro offers the highest quality conditions in the region, supported by a favorable regulatory environment and recent improvements in education and quality of life, making it a magnet for talent and investment. Number 1, Ogden, Utah. Ranked 51st nationally, Ogden leads the pack with a deep labor pool, low electricity rates, and a strong track record in food manufacturing. Its consistent performance makes it a standout in the region. And here's the big takeaway. 4 of the top 5 metros in the Southwest are located in Utah, a testament to the state's strong workforce, favorable demographics, and strategic location for food manufacturing. Beyond the rankings, Phoenix, Mesa, Chandler earned the highest quality score in the region, while Las Cruces, New Mexico delivered the lowest operating costs, making both key players in the Southwest food manufacturing landscape. From desert farms to dynamic food hubs, the Southwest region is rising as a center for specialty and baked good production. If you'd like to learn more about our assessment of this region or any other region of the U.S., be sure to download our report and check out our other videos where I highlight the best metros across the U.S. for food manufacturing. I'm Didi Caldwell. Until next time.